Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel. Press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Eureka review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about this software called Eureka. So this is the Eureka review, and right now we are on the sales page, and then we have the demo video which is for 12 minutes long. And let's start with the sales page. It says here, stop paying ransom to kidnappers who hold you and your data hostage for monthly fees that never end. You can have everything you need: storage, cloud hosting, graphics and funnel page design, autoresponder content without endlessly paying thousands of dollars each year. Tell Dropbox goodbye, tell ClickFunnels goodbye, tell Aweber goodbye, tell your web host goodbye, tell graphic designer goodbye, tell content writer goodbye, because you're gonna die. Why would you say goodbye to everybody? As long you're alive, you're not supposed to say goodbye, okay? Anyway, so whoa, there are too many features here. I can't read all this. I can't. Too much to read, okay? So act now, special bird, launch deal ends in this and that. So this is launching on 27th of January, tomorrow, from this vendor called Deal, I guess. But let me show you their profile, and you can take a look at the name you can see here. And they have launched 19 products so far, and the overall rating they are maintaining is 1.46. It is not even 1.5. So 1.4 stars out of 5 stars, and this generally means that they are producing some very pathetic or garbage or low quality products, okay? So right from the beginning word go, you are not supposed to buy this, because there is a very huge reason why am I saying this, except that it is launching on this website Eureka Plus anyway. So you are not supposed to buy any software from this website Eureka Plus. On top of that, the huge motivating factor for me is that why should you not buy this? Because you see this demo video which is for 12 minutes and some seconds long. A video well over than 12 minutes. You know the strange, not strange, but I don't know what to say, laugh or cry or how to react. A 12 minutes long video and nobody is talking in the video. It has a background music and they just do things and nobody is telling you what's happening. For example, imagine right now, just imagine if I go and make a video for 10 minutes, 12 minutes, in which video I am not talking to you, I'm not saying a single word, and I have a background music only. How would you feel? You came to see here a review, right? So you want me to speak my opinion. But in this demo video, the demo video is lengthy enough, man. 12 minutes video cannot be called a demo video without verbal explanation. And this is the reason I would not buy this, because they don't care about explaining their own product, man. A 12 minutes video and nobody is talking how to use the software, what are these features, how you can utilize them, how to do this, nobody is talking. They just created a 12 freaking minutes video and then you are on your own. And do you really believe such people will help you when you buy something, and if you need some help and you email them, do you really think you will get a reply? And especially when you're being sold something in $17. On top of that, here we have what? We have shown you the stars already. So they are not serious, they are only serious about making or taking your money, okay? And then they will come back with the new launch, because they have these emails, these sales mean they have got email addresses of these many people as well. You might be one of them. You might be into their email list. So if you have received an email today and you were, told something, or something was in the email about making money, and then when you clicked on the email, now you are on this Eureka page, you have to make sure that you unsubscribe from those emails, because people are sending you spam, junk, they want to rip you off, okay? So these are some solid reasons why are you not supposed to buy this. Do you want me to wind up this video right now? I can, because I have said don't buy and then tada bye bye. But you have to understand you will be bombarded with these shiny objects or useless or low quality software every day, multiple times every day. Okay, so how to save yourself from getting scammed and not to buy something which you don't need in your life, plus how would you make real money? Okay, so you have to watch the video till the end for that, I guess. And what else? So let's get done with the sales page here quickly. And there's nothing to talk about. I don't really care what are they giving you in the software, autoresponder, some storage builder and all the crap. Okay, so they have some OTOs as well. Nobody cares if you make money or not, or if you live or die. All they care about is how they can get those $17 off you or from you. Okay, and if you don't believe me, then look at your those people, the owner of Pfizer and this Greta Thunberg, I saw videos. There were very good reporters, reporters like me who were very hardcore. So they were asking the question to Greta. She was in Davos, I guess. And Greta, how did you come to Davos? Did you use, an airplane, or how much energy did you save while coming here? All the crap, okay? And she was like, oh, I got caught. And then, they also asked reporters also asked the Greta that how many times do you have to rehearsal the shoot, when German police actually caught you, so how many times you have to do the rehearsal? So, these people are gonna kill you. These idiots, okay? Your countrymen, your Pfizer, Moderna, everybody's gonna kill you. Take care of yourself. Believe in yourself and in me, okay? Will I have to pay a monthly fees? Maintenance fees. What? What are you going to maintain, man? Answer is no. Eureka is bullshit, and you only have to go through this funnel and pay them this much. Keep paying them. Go earn offline, clean toilets, drive taxi, whatever you do. Earn hard money. Earn your money the hard way and come and spend that money the easy way, and they can get the money from you the easy way. Okay, cool, right? Can I get support? These fucking idiots or morons or these scammers, they don't care to speak in a 12 minutes long video. You care about getting a support from these bastards? Where is your logic? Where is your common sense, man? And women, actually, just women. WOMEN. Women itself is a plural word. So if somebody is not even willing to talk in their product demo video, how the F you think they will give you a support? Or they will give you support? They will not, actually. How many files and videos can I store on a Eureka drive? Middle finger. How many websites can I host on a Eureka website? Middle finger. How many funnels? Middle finger. Everything is middle finger here. Anyways, we're done. So we are done with the sales page, luckily, and demo video. I will leave the link. Why would I leave the link? I don't care. So I will not leave the link of this demo video because I am not selling you this, because they're not talking, and I am very happy so that I don't have to promote anything. Okay, if they were talking in the demo video, I might have spent my 12 minutes. So I'm happy about two things: that I did not have to watch this video till the end, so I saved my 12 minutes. And second, I don't have to sell you this, so that means my review is going to be shorter. Okay, so I can save my time here. So don't buy this. That's all I have to say. Simple reasons. They have a bad history here. They don't care if you live or die. All they want is your money from here. Because if this thing is only being sold to you for $17 only, then why all these prices are hidden here in the back end? And why they keep launching everything again and again? I told you, this shitty website, Warrior Plus, is renowned for scams. People come here and they scam you, that's all, okay? So don't buy something unnecessary. This will not work, and there's no guarantee about support. And if you buy this, why would you buy this? Ask yourself, what is the reason behind buying this? What are you here? Do you have so much data, or you create a website? What's the reason, man? You just received an email in your inbox. Somebody said you go and buy this and you make so much money, and now you're here on the sales page watching my video. Consider yourself lucky for watching my video. So don't buy this. If you want to make money online, go below my YouTube video. You will find a couple of links here. So it says make money on autopilot with Forex trading. Forex trading is currency trading. Okay, so we have Euro USD, GBP USD. When one currency goes up, other currency goes down, and we have to buy at low price, sell at high price, all that. Okay, now all of this has to be done either manually or automatically. Okay, I am not asking you to do this manually because you would not be able to do it if you don't know what I'm talking about. What we will do is we will be setting up this machine. As you can see here, this is a virtual computer. Then we will be setting up the software on this graph, and that software will be buying and selling on our behalf automatically. Okay, and that is how we will make and take and collect our profits. And this is what you will learn inside the training called the syndicate here. So click on the first link and come to this page. Then enter your email address, then enter your name here, click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. Watch the videos there and then take action. You have to watch the videos when you go there. And this syndicate is a training course, okay, in which you will learn how to do everything, the basics, and how to set up the software. And after that, you can implement and take action. If you cannot take action, then no problem. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and just leave. Okay, happy chappy. So if you are really interested in making money on autopilot, go for Forex Trading Syndicate. This method will work, I'm telling you right now. If you want to do exactly what I am doing, then go for Traffic Jarvis, make money with Traffic Jarvis here. This will help you to do exactly what I am doing on YouTube, affiliate marketing, making YouTube videos, getting sales sometimes. And even if you don't get sales, then you can still make money on YouTube if your YouTube channel is monetized. For example, in this video, I am not selling you this Eureka, okay? Still, I am making money from this video because you might be seeing some ads in this YouTube video. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, YouTube will pay me some money, okay? So we can also make money on YouTube without even selling anything if your YouTube channel gets monetized. And this Traffic Jarvis will help you to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, which are required if you want to get your YouTube channel monetized, right? So if you are interested in doing exactly what I'm doing, go for Traffic Jarvis. Otherwise, go for this Forex thingy called Syndicate, which will help you to make money on autopilot using software. And then we have some OTOs which you're not supposed to buy. So let me show you my job. This and that. Cool, man. Yeah, let's get done with this. OTO 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't buy, okay? Do not buy. Don't buy. Not to buy. When you buy something, that means you bought it. But when you don't buy something, that means you don't have to buy, okay? Yeah. Aunt Kamala Harris. When you buy something, that means you bought it. Okay, so Eureka is done. Don't buy. And if you want to make money online, check out these links. Autopilot, this and that. I have explained to you. This thing will make you money. This thing will make you money. Everything I say will make you money as long as you work. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button. And I have to go and find a movie to watch now. So yeah. And before that, I will show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything, okay? So before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers, okay? You need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission, okay? So these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers, okay? And then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is going to make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days. And after that, your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future, it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay. All right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says, get kiss tracking, keep it simple, stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside traffic Jarvis. Okay. And then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already, and experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada bye bye.